Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jawair and I'm gonna walk you through my design process. A lot of Redbubble sellers have closed their stores due to the, not so recent, tier system with large amounts of fees and all, but I'm determined to make it to the pro or premium tier and overcome that problem. Let's say we give this thing a chance. I'll be posting my design tutorial type thingies on every Saturday, hope so, and we can maybe discuss some things and maybe learn a thing or two from each other. I mean, I'm not that genius, but I might know a thing or two, not that stupid either. Now, you might say like, Jawair, you use ChatGPT for everything, and well, yes, I do use it a lot. I mean, I tell dude my complex social situations sometimes. When you're an overthinker, can't bother people with every thought you have, can you? Anyways, enough with the banter, let's focus on our designing. Talking here and there won't make you money. It's not a big deal, use Canva here and there. Then your dude doesn't have extra money for Canva Pro, so remove the background in Ibis Paint. then you upload the designs like so. Do necessary tweaks here and there. Download your product images and again copy the link to your story and copy the description and hashtags from your ChatGPT and today. Everything is done, then you sit in your couch, scroll on social media, maybe study a page or two when you're a student or do any necessary work you have to do. Being lazy isn't attractive, you know, and wait for sales and views and all the good stuff, and maybe Redbubble Pro and Premium tier. If you don't have it like me, ta-ta, see you next Saturday. Don't slack off like me for the week, do a thing or two. Hee hee.